What's good, YouTube? I'm gonna show you guys how to make this effect today. It's very simple, it's very easy. I just want to say I love you guys too. So first, you want to type out the title you're gonna use or whatever text you're gonna use, and you can scale it up or scale it down, how big or how small you want it. It's up to you. It's your preference on this choice. So yeah, so I'm gonna go to align. Just make sure it's in the middle. You can put it wherever you want. This is your preference here. So now I'm going to go to animate, then I'm going to go to opacity. So you need, this is an important step. So you want to go to the opacity and you want to put it to 0. And you want to go look for your offset. So this is where you're going to keyframe it. Then you're going to bring it to the first step. Then you want to keyframe the offset at 0. Then put it to where you want it to be. That's where it's going to like reveal the whole text. So I'm going to put it 100 there, and perfect. It's lovely. So you want to play your ease high and ease low a bit. So for ease low, put it. No, I'm just going to randomize. Actually, I'm just randomize. I'm not going to ease it right now. So as you can see, I randomize it. I love the randomized speed right now. It's pretty nice. So I'm gonna pre-compose a layer, and it's looking good. So now we're gonna go to our effects. We're gonna go to CC Mr. Mercury. Then you want to put that on your text. Then you want to edit. I like Vortext the most, looks the best to me. So that's how it looks. So I have to edit right now. It looks good actually. Like if you want to read it, but it looks actually good. So here you just want to copy my settings. Just follow along, copy my settings. X0, Y1000, birth rate 100. Just copy along. Put it at 3. Just copy my settings on. As you can see, it looks like something, I don't know, it looks like a water drip. I don't know. It looks good. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to finish it off. Like you can like see it a little bit. You need to edit the size. So I'm gonna go to the size. I'm start at 0. Keyframe it. Then you want to go up to where you want to fully show. So then you want to put this to 5 so it can show the full thing. Now it's done basically. So now you got your distort or whatever effect you want to call it. It looks amazing. You can use it. I just want to say I love you guys and peace.